Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use a secure folder on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. There are two apps that we can use in order to create a secure folder which will have a password or it will be protected with a pin code or something similar. So the first app that we can use is the Google Files app. So if we go to the Google folder, over here we have Files, and once we go there we will find the Save folder, which we can use in order to store something privately. We can choose a pin code or a pattern. We can set it up for the secure folder. So let's say I'm gonna set up a pin code. Then let's go next. Let's confirm by typing the same pin code once again. Now, of course, you need to remember your pin because otherwise you will lose access to everything that you store in the Save folder. And now we can move files to that folder. So for instance, I want to move this picture to the Save folder. So after selecting it, I can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then I have the option to move to Save folder. Now, of course, I need to enter the pin code that I just set, and there we go. I have now moved this file to the Save folder. If I enter the Save folder, then over here I will find my picture. I can send it back by tapping on these three dots next to the file, and then we have an option move out of Save folder. So now that we have this covered, the other app that I want to show you is made by Motorola. So let's go to Moto, and then we want to go to Moto Secure. Now over here we can go to Secure folder. We will see some information about the secure folder, so now you can read that up. Over here we can read about protected content, and then we go some icons, and over here you might see that they ask you to log into your Google account in order to synchronize and backup data. Of course, if you want to, you can press login. If not, you can skip login by pressing this skip login button in the top left corner, and I'm gonna do that. Now I need to use my fingerprint sensor. In fact, I'm gonna use my pattern for this. There we go. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And the next thing that we need to do is, of course, to choose a lock for our folder. So this time we also can use a password, but I'm gonna set up the pin code one more time, and I'm gonna use the same pin. Let's go next one more time and confirm. There we go. Now you can unlock secure folder with your fingerprint. Would you like to set that up now? So if you want to use your fingerprint, then sure, we can set that up as well. Now we will find the authentication settings. We can change the lock, use the fingerprint, so let's enable this. We can also make the pattern invisible, so if you don't want to see the lines when you draw them, then you can enable that option. Now if we go back, then over here we are now in the secure folder, and we can press this plus button in order to add files or even add apps. So let's actually add apps. Let's proceed, and let's say I want to choose the calculator. Let's add it. All right, so now I assume that we can use the calculator in the secure folder. And if you try to do that through here, then of course you can still do that, but it seems that we can actually separate what we do in one app normally from what we do through the Moto Secure, the secure folder. So that's pretty much it. This is how we can create folders. This is how we can store files privately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.